Okay, so today we're gonna deal with setting up a server using Visual Studio Code and Node.js so that you can go ahead and start learning how to program or how to create an API. I'm gonna tell you something, in the real world, people wanna know you know how to do this, okay? A lot of tutorials out here are kind of like half-stepping, BSing, all the steps, not thoroughly explained, but but you can do them. Just follow them, get your stuff set up, and we're on to the next. So basically what I need you to do is you need to go and install Visual Studio Code. Go click this button, download it. Visual Studio Code is an app. So basically this is Visual Studio Code right here, okay? Once you do this, then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna download Node.js. Click download, go to your downloaded files, click the installer, and follow the instructions. Once you have the basics of Visual Studio Code and Node.js done, then we can move on to the next steps. Then I'm gonna make a command, make dir simple node app, simple node app, and it will create this directory. Click return, now you have this directory. I've already done this. This is the reason why I'm not doing it now, okay? Then you're gonna say npm, stop, npm init -y, right? You're gonna click return, and it's gonna create this file, package.json, okay? Then you're gonna say npm install, install express. This will create the rest of your files in here, you know, except for the app.js. That's a whole different thing. But it'll create your node modules and all that stuff, right? So you'll have mostly everything. Okay, so once you have this installed, you're gonna go here, you're gonna open up your Node.js, you're gonna create a file in here, you're gonna call it app.js. You know, you're gonna say file, stop, file, new file, boom, and you say app.js, and you create your file, create a new file, click that, which I'm not gonna do because I already have an file called app.js. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the description and you're gonna take this code, all this code, and you're gonna cut and paste it in here. And then you will have your stuff for your app.js file, which should be right here. Now you have everything. And then from this point, I should be able to say node, node app.js, server's running, localhost. I should be able to take this from here, Command C, go over here, move this out of the way, and put this URL up here in the bar, and there you go. This is running, okay? Actually, and that's really all there is to it. We're done, our server's set up, and we're able to start writing some API code in JavaScript in VS Code. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna ask y'all a really big favor. If these videos are giving you value, if they're helping you progress in your journey faster, please give me a like and subscribe so I can get more of this stuff out there, so you can get in here, get out here and become a productive member of the iOS mobile development community and make money. So now we're going to end this off with talking about adding your Visual Studio Code CLI to your path. Basically, CLI is command line interface. So you're trying to add it to your path. Why? Because it makes command line interface allows you to do things with Visual Studio Code outside of using the WYSIWYG. You can do it from the terminal, right? So to a large extent, you want to be, maybe you want to open up a project from the terminal, right? And so right here, let's see where I'm at. This is where I'm at. I'm in my Simple Node app, right? So if I want to open up this project, all I have to do is say code. And it opens up the project pretty fast, right? This is our app.js that runs on the web server. Okay, so in order to do that, it's simple. You open up VSCode, Shift Command P, and you just click this, add this shell command install code to command path. I've already done that, so I don't have to do that again. Click that and it's added. And then you can go to whatever directory you want, where you have a project, CD into it using your terminal. In this case, I'm in my Simple Node app. Here, Simple Node app. And I open up my projects, your app.js. That's what you saw earlier. And it's as simple as that. I hope you guys got a lot out of this.